Have you dreamed of a low maintenance life? One that is based around the people that you're with and their happiness. A home should add to this enjoyment. And here at number 46 The Hive, you'll find a design unique to the owner's creation. A townhouse abound with airiness, spacious living areas, and a kitchen doubled in size with enough storage to accommodate a large family. The beautifully appointed lounge with stunning plantation blinds leads out onto a balcony with heaps of room. You will enjoy living in this secure community, complete with a resort-style pool while living in the heart of the gap. With easy access to shops and schools, this is the one you've been waiting for. My name is Kathleen Luck and we would love to show you more on this beautiful opportunity. Please contact myself or one of our team members.